scheme. You know, he's going to perform for him. I think he's a tremendous athlete, really. He's a tremendous player. So the more the floor is open, and I think if I get down and running, he did that against us when I was at Golden State as an assistant in the playoffs. I think he ended up averaging over 30 points a game against us in that 4-game series that we had. So everything is there. Then I think we put some people in that we're going to be a better defensive team, and that was one of the areas that we really had to improve.
Well, you talked about it being an athlete, and all your time in the NBA and really in basketball. Now, where would you put him in terms of athletically and the gifts that Anthony Davis has?
Well, I think he's one of those great athletes. You know, I had the honor of coaching great shot blocker in the basket. I think he's a better shooter probably today. That's one of the areas we have been working on is his three-point shot. And he did make more this year than he made his entire career. So